For this introduction, I'm going to show you what occurs when one first clicks on the PCAct icon on the desktop. So I'm just going to click on it now, double click on it, and you'll see that PCAct opens and starts downloading data from the internet. And it essentially downloads a series of files, which I'll come to shortly. The files PCAct downloads upon startup can be viewed in the system management area under activate system menus. So I'm going to activate system menus here and enter a password to gain access to it. And once in, I'm going to look at the support files. And here you can see that upon startup, PCAct downloads any new asset classes that have occurred, any new users and their brigade numbers, any new containers that have been entered into the system, and any new locations. So if you enter a new location, it will download this to PCAct. And obviously, uploads from PCAct are essentially checked against these conditions. So, for example, a new brigade user can't upload or vouch for the testing of items until he's been entered into WebAct, and those details have been downloaded and recognised in the local station with their version of PCAct. So it's important to shut down and start up PCAct periodically to get all this new information in. We did at one time have an automatic update, but systems administrators in different brigades don't like the system polling quite regularly for new updates and new features and new users. Coming again to the front screen of PCAct, you can see that down the left hand side are three menu items, one with operational assets, the next with PPE, next one with system management. You've usually got here a logo for your brigade, that's the Bright Sparks logo, and usually some kind of action picture or something pertaining to your brigade here. And down the right hand side you've got particular menu items. One thing you should be aware of is at any time in the station, if you click on the Bright Sparks logo, it will lock you in automatically into the system, and you can do simple things and essentially just look for personal protective equipment, say, and just get it all. And you can see that here we've got a sort of a file record coming up of all the different PPE that's issued within this brigade, and you can look at certain items around that. But it gives you a quick access to the web application without having to put in a password or a username.